little
What are you
beat
talking
up,
about?
bud.
Why are you talking about my car?
I'm sorry, bud. I have to tell you.
Oh, like that?
Yeah,
What's wrong with that?
you know, I mean, it's beating up both ends, you know? Boom, boom, you know? No, man's not hot, bro.
Man's not hot.
Bruh, man's not hot.
One session, bro.
It's alright,
It's all good.
It's just, needs to be somewhere around there.
Needs to be somewhere around there. I just need to put another hanger.
Yeah.
I thought I was gonna get rid. I was gonna get away with just one hanger.
No. I'm gonna need two of those.
It burns the bumper.
Yeah, it does.
Very nice.
Bertha for the win, bro.
Bertha for the win. All right, we're gonna do a how-to K-swap transmission for the K-swap K-series.
K-swap the transmission?
K-swap the transmission. Okay, we're gonna do over that. We're going to show you how to remove, swap it a swip. I'm gonna show you how to take out a transmission from a K20
Swapped EG.
swapped EG.
There you go.
So if you guys didn't see my time attack video, the clutch went kaputski.
So he thinks.
So
we
he
don't know what
thinks.
it is. We're gonna find out.
What do you think it is?
Judging by K-series and how they've treated me,
Just the transmission?
Carlos thinks
yeah.
Carlos thinks it's the trans.
I'm thinking tranny all the
How have K-trannies treated you?
Horrible.
Terrible?
They hate me, dude.
They hate you?
I don't even want to talk about it. It's depressing.
I know I don't have like
God.
600 horsepower though.
True.
True.
But
You do have a K-series transmission.
You do have a K-series transmission.
and
There-
you beat it. a little
I beat
bit,
it hard.
right?
So I mean, it's probably like 500 miles of like really hard driving in this thing.
The axles up.
So he is removing it. So this would be 10 times easier if it wasn't my car with all these spherical bushing. There's no rubber. Everything's like
Add-ons and bolt-ons.
tight as hell.
And then we got like bolts that we got to back out next to this header, which I don't even know how that works.
No, you don't think that's gonna?
I don't know.
You gotta take the whole whole
I
header
hope
off.
not. That's, you know, I mean, depending.
How long is it?
That's what I don't know. I mean, it's got to be at least.
That long?
So if it clears the tranny, we're good.
All right, like I said, first things first, axle nut is removed. And then we're gonna go ahead and remove the lower control arms so that we can take the axles out. And then next is removing the bolts that surround the bell housing. You see this filter? You see this untouched filter?
It's because of them bars.
It's because of these shiny bars. The suspension, man, no rubber, no give, man. All right, we're in step 23. We have to
Remove.
You have to remove the intermediate shaft and the axles this way. So we unbolted the bolt on the control arms, and then you don't have to do it like this,
Make fun of us.
but because of my car, how it's set up, how my bank account set up, I gotta do it like this. So remove that top bolt, hit it with a hammer, it should fall out. And then now it's just removing the intermediate shaft because we couldn't separate it. So seized.
Then the header is perfectly designed around the
to block us.
yeah, to fit anything.
Did you get the T-bracket off? The bolts for the T-bracket, no?
Yeah, I did.
Oh yeah? Will they come out? No.
No.
Not. Oh, you have to remove the whole T-bracket.
Yeah, they can sit there. We don't lose the bolts. They'll be stuck there.
I want to use a socket to weld.
This has power,
Okay.
but nothing else does.
Is it not supposed to?
Yeah, it's supposed to.
All of them?
No, just you're 110 and 110. You're trying to get 220, right?
Yeah.
This was off the whole time, which is the feed for 220, which is the 60 amp, which is more believable.
So I thought my plug, guys. So I thought my welders. I try to wire up this plug to.
You didn't try. You did it.
I guess I wired it correctly.
Yeah.
You know, the funny thing is, I thought I turned it off.
You could have electrocuted your fucking.
I could have roasted. And I was hella careful and shit.
It could have did you bad.
It could have done me bad because I thought I turned it off.
The table and everything. Is this table in the way? So you were leaning over that shit, weren't you? That
Yeah.
big ass metal table is grounded. Hell yeah.
So
That'd have felt good. You probably would.
Your dick would. Oh, sorry.
He probably would have fucking snapped back and hit the.
so I guess I wired it correctly.
Remember, with these big things, that always are bigger. They're bigger. You know, they pull more juice. So They're bigger breakers, so don't ever think, oh yeah, that's the area of the TV on. It's on the same line. I see why you did it. It's on. Obviously, look, he's not retarded. He followed the line, and he
Right.
was like, all right, if the TV's off, you know.
Yeah, I thought it was off.
But no. Mine.
Uh-huh.
Do you want to unbox yours? You want me to use your camera?
No,
Oh,
I'm good.
This was so nice,
Okay,
dude.
let me,
Like,
let me
yeah,
unbox
man.
it.
It's like I love these fucking clutches, bro.
Oh,
Do it,
It's like a grail of all clutches.
dude. I mean, it's overpriced, but
overpriced.
yeah,
It's not overpriced, it's called quality.
dude, it's overpriced. It's beautiful, like engagement and I mean,
Look at that.
Jesus.
I think it's balanced from the factory.
Balance from the factory.
Yeah, that's where we got that mark from.
It's
thinking
made
it
in
was
Japan.
Yeah.
That's a real Japanese part.
What?
Dude,
What?
it's a beauty. I love those things, bro. I'm telling you, that's like in like a stock K or like yours, dude. It's amazing. Like it feels like a stock clutch, but it does everything else. You know what I mean?
We're removing the mount here, so you can drop the transmission.
Alright, don't.
We're moving.
All right, guys. Sometimes you gotta improvise. Shut your mouth. You know what I'm saying? All the drips pans are taken care of.
Drip, drip.
Drip, drip. Sometimes you just gotta.
No, so what mix? What mix did you use in this? Because it looks like motor oil.
Right. Just mix with Redline MTF and then regular Honda. One bottle.
Yeah.
I'm serious. But remember Honda Tech Days? You use a synchro mesh? GM?
Yeah, I've used synchro mesh. The Penzo shit, whatever from
Penzo, it's supposed to be
AutoZone.
the same, right?
Yeah.
Or whatever.
Yeah.
But I remember they're like, everyone's like sweared by it. They're like, dude, use GM synchro mesh and your gear grind would go away.
Oh my God, really?
Yeah, and I had it on CRX
Yeah.
cable tranny, and then on the third gear it would always grind.
Tell me you put that stuff in it and it stopped grinding.
I put that stuff in it. It took like 300 to 400 miles.
And it went away?
It went away, dude.
Oh boy,
Swear, full
dude. It's flexed, Chris.
Just flex, baby.
It's
What's
flexed. Look. It's higher over here than it is over here.
So then did it loosen up?
It's flexed. I don't know how that flexed. Is the bolts loose? Are the bolts loose on that side? On the plate, pressure plate? No, you're not gonna be loose. Like, is there a gap down there in between the plate and the flywheel?
Doesn't look like it, no. See anything bent
Did you
here?
break this? No.
So
That's good. That's good.
the fork's not bent? No.
No, but the tranny, yeah, the tranny shifted. I drove it.
Yeah. Alright, so let's pull off the bolts.
It's obvious that that's off.
So, okay, wait.
This is low. You see this?
Yeah, that's low.
Look, I can
Like,
stick my finger under here, and this I can't even.
Did it punched it in?
No, I don't know. This is lower though, so something's off with the clutch. Something's wrong with the clutch or the pressure plate. We gotta pull it apart and find out. Let's get this bad boy out of the way.
There's no way I fried that.
We'll put your finger in the middle. Push and pull up.
I got it.
Now we remove the clutch.
Oh, broke it.
Oh shit!
Where's the
Come here,
chunk?
come here,
Is
come
it
here.
in the clutch?
Huh?
Yeah, come here.
Hold on.
On the table. Should broke the freaking.
That's that spot we.
Power over.
Oh, there. It's one. The clutch.
That's so weird, dude.
Is it?
Look how it like warped.
Yeah, like overheated like crazy. Got so hot. Look at this. Look.
What?
Look at it started to crack there already. Look at this. Look. This is like kind of what it's supposed to look like, but
Right.
that's warped too. Look, there's a hairline right there
Yeah.
too.
Yeah.
It like this thing got so hot.
You think so?
100%.
Is that the color it should be?
I don't know.
Is that the color? Is that orange color it should be?
What's crazy is the chunking out of that thing.
Yeah.
I'm looking to see if
Power over.
or
What's this rated for?
Oh,
A lot more than what
hell
you put.
yeah! This is rated at like.
there's a dry racing clutch or is
Yeah,
this,
dude, this is a hyper single.
you know what happened?
What's up, fool?
There's
What?
not- it didn't break. It actually split.
Yeah, it's all hairline. The whole
No,
thing.
no, but I mean, there's not a chunk missing here. You see how there's a split here?
There's no way, bro.
Look,
Oh wait, you think
It did.
it split? Oh, it's supposed to go.
shrank?
It shrank.
No, it opened up.
It opened up.
Yeah, from it.
Dang!
They have to replace that, don't they? They have to.
They're not gonna say anything. Comp. What do
Yeah,
you
because look.
They
Check
have
out.
to. Yeah,
Check it out.
dude.
It's split right there too. This
They have
this
to
has to be
replace
like.
it. Yeah, it is.
Oh, yeah, 'cause of
that's
this
a
whole
perfect
hole.
shape.
Yeah.
Look, they follow each other.
So it literally, it did.
It opened.
Yeah.
It opened like
That's why it
a,
looks all warped.
look like a damn fortune cookie. You just open like a damn.
I've never seen this. If you guys have seen this,
Have
please
you ever seen a?
let us know. Like I especially not one of these with 250 horsepower. I mean,
Yeah, because the pressure plate's still in good shape.
that's insane, dude.
Pressure plate's fine.
Yeah.
What about
It
the?
just what happened was when it broke. Can you see it? You see the edges of it?
Yeah, it hit.
Yep.
Oh, like it stopped.
That's
Yep,
why it didn't want to come out.
That's why I didn't want to come off. Like, it doesn't spin inside there anymore.
Oh, okay, like seized in there.
Yep.
That's so crazy. I've never
So
seen that.
The pressure plate's still good. It just needs a disc.
It ate these a little bit.
Yeah,
I
but
don't
when it
think-
broke,
I don't
you
know.
can see the edges of it.
That's crazy, dude.
Power over.
But I still don't. Like, that's what it's made for.
It didn't do that. You might have got hot and like maybe. What?
Trans side of disc, yeah. No.
Oh yeah, you're right. It is trans-sided disc. I'm over here
Yeah.
thinking
Yeah, I'll flip to the other side.
this way, but no.
When we
Okay, so
pulled
it's
it
not
out, you
that.
couldn't see it.
So here's the thing. Here's what I'm thinking, right? It could be. I mean, if it is what it says it is.
Defective?
For sure defective.
I don't know. Well,
Dude,
did it grow that much?
yeah.
It grow and it.
defective.
So if it touched, if it grew so much that it touched this and it just like
Defective.
stopped.
Then it's defective. Look at the clutch. Look at the meat on the clutch. The clutch is brand new, dude.
the
You
clutch-
literally don't even have, what, 100 miles on this thing?
Yeah, maybe.
Maybe of hard driving.
Of any total. The
Like,
car doesn't move unless it's hard driven.
yeah. Maybe probably what a dyno sesh and a freaking way to 300 miles maybe.
Yeah, dude, come on, man. That's,
Yeah.
Because it had to go to LDL, come back.
yeah,
Then we drove.
They need to send you a new plate.
Yep.
That's
You need to send them a picture of this and see what
Yeah,
they say.
they need to send you a new plate.
Because, yeah, for this
No
to
way,
happen
dude. That's catastrophic. So imagine if that would have let loose, it would have shredded your tranny too.
Yeah.
Yeah. If that
It
thing
would have
broke.
pulled out of there, dude. Yeah, they need to replace
And then you
that.
drove it like
That's
this.
bullshit. They need to replace that.
So, yeah,
So-
we'll talk to them about it.
Garbage.
We'll figure it
Cum
out.
clutch.
Garbage.
So what say you? What say you, cum clutch? What say you? That's so crazy. I thought there was a missing piece.
Yeah,
But
me
for
too.
it to split open, like,
Yeah, this
that's
space.
crazy, bro.
See it, look.
Crazy, bro.
That hasn't happened in any of these, but this one.
That is, I've never ever seen that before.
Never, dude. That's why
Guys,
it was so
have
hard
you-
to believe. I was like,
Leave in the comments. Have you ever seen a clutch fail like this?
Yeah. So,
This is
does
the one
come
that's
at
different.
At $1,800?
I think so.
back to back.
Dragon Ball Z, bro.
Really? You never did Dragon either? God,
Dang,
you
we
don't
good,
even know
bro.
what the 9 Dragon Balls are?
I know. You don't know what happens when they come together, motherfucker.
I took a trip to Argentina and I was like 16 and my cousins were all into that and I was like, what is this, you know? And I kind of got into it.
Well, okay, so this is from the guy. So tell me, I don't know which situation is normal and which situation is weird. How many cars have you had in your life, Chris?
5,
Total.
6 maybe.
Me?
Him.
Okay.
You?
Over 30.
Jesus.
Yeah. Okay,
Yeah.
so I feel a little better.
Uh huh.
I lost count at like 60.
60?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're a little special. Me?
I had the same car for a
No,
long
me.
time.
I used to flip them though. That's why.
Yeah.
Nah, not I.
Not you.
I
You just kept getting them.
just kept getting them.
You had 60 cars.
Bro, yeah, if I started naming cars, you'd trip. And what's messed up is I probably have a picture
Of each car.
everyone. Yeah.
Holy
I
smokes.
started getting cars when I was, my first car was that Accord. And I was, well, actually my first car was an M3 that my dad acted like he was going to give to me, but he never gave to me.
Right.
So it was like, oh yeah, you can drive it to school and you know what I mean?
Yeah. What was your first car? First car was.
M3, that was that.
Wait, you had a what?
But that wasn't mine. It was a 318 IS converted to an M3 on Giovanni 20s.
Giovanni.
Yeah, I mean, it was a sick car in Miami.
Dude,
like,
we're
I
gonna
was
do
the
we're gonna
shit,
do a
but-
story tell of our first car. Like, what was your first car?
We're putting the old juice back in,
We got a-
like in old Mike style.
We got a little I made a little contraption here.
We got a doobly,
You got a funnel on top of a funnel.
funnel action.
Instead of just putting like a hose onto the funnel and making it
Let's see if he
long.
can shoot. First shot.
First shot.
Da-da-da-da, don't shake.
Got it
Hey!
in the hole.
With that
You guys
big
put the drain
old...
plug back in?
That's not funny. Did we though?
Nah, I did.
Okay, good job.
Because it wasn't.
Right now. Feel the clutch, Mike. Put your foot on there, man. Have you ever felt one? No. Oh, you haven't? Oh, you're gonna love this, dude.
You're never gonna want to go back to work.
Dang, you're gonna love this, dude.
You drove it too?
Huh?
Bro,
You know that feeling, Chris?
that freaking clutch is amazing.
Yeah, bro.
It's stock clutch, dude.
It's so nice. You don't even know. And it grips just like any other. Like, that's what's crazy. Because with the feel, you would think. How's that? That's nice, huh?
That is nice.
And it has a little jump. You feel the jump? Feel it. Where it like gets like a little softer. That's your engagement, dude. It's so nice.
All right, we're test driving the Civic hatch with the new carbon clutch, $2,000 clutch.
Oh wow, this clutch feels like a stock clutch.
All right, take off. See how it goes.
Look at this thing, dude.
It's like easy. No rattle.
Nothing.
And it's not even warmed up yet.
It's not even broken in yet. Watch your brake pedal felt a little spongy right there.
Oh, it's spongy.
Ah, okay. That's why. Ah, this clutch definitely feels amazing. Like, whew. Jesus.
You like K yet?
Jeez, yeah, I love K. All motor, like this thing is, it's not even all motor, it's stock motor. It feels like amazing.